What's the meaning of Chancery Division? Chancery Division. Chancery Division.
Chancery Division. Chancery Division. The Chancery Division is a court in England and Wales that deals with disputes related to equity, trusts, wills, and property. It was established in the 19th century as part of the High Court of Justice and is one of the three main divisions of that court. The Chancery Division is known for its expertise in complex commercial cases and has a reputation for being a sophisticated and highly specialized forum for resolving disputes. Its judges are experienced in handling high-value claims and frequently hear cases that involve significant legal and financial issues.